part 5 of the Galaxy's Edge update here on the next episode of D3. What's up, everyone? Welcome to this episode of D3. In this episode, this is part 5 of my continued series of the construction of Galaxy's Edge. First, as usual, I'd like to thank you guys for your continued support of this channel. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below and become a member of the D3 family. Well, folks, it's the first week of December and the construction on Galaxy's Edge is moving really fast. So today, I'm going to give you some updated views from Chip and Dale Treehouse over there over in Toontown. I'm also going to give you an updated view from the top of Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. I'm going to jump onto the Mark Twain Riverboat, give you another shot from that angle and a couple of angles on the back of the Mark Twain Riverboat. And also I'm going to go over towards Critter Country, give you a shot from on top of the Hungry Bear Terrace, and probably finishing off over by the Tarzan Treehouse. Let's go. Okay, folks, here's a shot of Galaxy's Edge from the Mark Twain Riverboat. Give you a close up as we come up on the back. It's more and more getting closer to completion every day. It's really cool. Zoom in a little bit more, get some more detail on it. Coming around the corner.
As we head into the remote areas of the rivers of America, you're in for a real treat. I've been navigating these parts for years now, but I never get tired of taking in the breathtaking beauty of the Columbia River. The majestic trees, the stunning rock formations, the cascading waterfalls, the moose, deer, and elk along the banks. It's all so magnificent and so peaceful.
Right here. See, this whole section is complete. Remember from our previous videos, all the scalping was still on. Now it's completely done. We just have this side to do now. So around, I think the middle section is pretty much done. We have to work on that. But yeah, it's pretty much done. The mountain range portion of it at least. So cool. I'm going to give you a shot from the back of the ship in a second. Okay, folks, here's a shot from the backside of Mark Twain Riverboat.
And then, just
to the bushes,
is a tribe of Plains Indians setting up their camp
or the back portion of the Galaxy's Edge. Looks amazing. I'm trying to get a shot of the cargo ship, but I guess I'll show you that shot next time. That's completely done. There's more of the western portion of Galaxy's Edge right there, so we're closer right there, get a more detailed shot of that. All in all, it's coming along really nicely, folks. Looks like they might be ahead of schedule, but I might be wrong knowing Disney when I just try to stay on schedule and try to figure out how to do the crowd control. Let's go to our next location. Okay, folks, this is a view from the Hungry Bear restaurant over here in Critter Country of Galaxy's Edge. You can see through the trees the cantina portion of Galaxy's Edge right there. And like, it's just about pretty much the same portion you saw on Mark Twain earlier. But we're gonna walk over. I'm gonna give you a shot of where the actual entrance is from the side of the park. It's gonna be right behind the entry of the Hungry Bear restaurant. I should say the exit to the Hungry Bear restaurant. Right over here. This is gonna be one of the other entrances. I think I showed you before, but there's no change here. It's gonna probably be one of the main entrances, I believe. So, which is pretty cool. But let me try to give you another view from over on this side. As you see the canoes going by through the trees over here. There it is, right there. You can see the cargo ship right there in between the trees. It's pretty awesome. Okay, folks, we're about to get a view of Galaxy's Edge right there. Right there. It's pretty awesome. There's the top of it right there. Very cool from this angle. Alright, folks, this is the view from the Tarzan Treehouse over in Adventureland. I'm gonna zoom in for you, get a close up. There you go. zoom back out a little bit. There you go, it's much better. Galaxy's Edge in the background right there. You see some top of the landscaping right there. You have Big Thunder and Steamboat in the foreground, and Galaxy's Edge in the background. Zoom back out a little bit so you get a better shot of it too. Still a little bit more construction going on this part of it, but it looks like they're still making good progress. Okay, folks, here's a shot of Galaxy's Edge from the Chip and Dale Treehouse over in Toontown. Get a little bit closer view if you zoom in a little bit more. Very cool. You can see how much they have done as compared to my earlier videos. They had a sun glare in a picture, but it's a very good shot right here of Galaxy's Edge. Very cool. I like how far along it's coming along, and it looks like it's about almost done. Alright folks, we're going to try to check out one of the entrances or exits to the new Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. This is over by Big Thunder, over by backside of Big Thunder. Here's one potential entrance exit right here. This is where the meet and greet section is, one of the characters too. And here it is right here. I guess this is like this. I'm thinking it's going to probably be one of the exits right here. Makes sense for all to help the crowd flow. So go check out the next one, which is pretty much on the other side of Big Thunder. I'm going to check that out right now. And we're walking around to the other, I think this might be like the secondary entrance or probably the main entrance to Galaxy's Edge. Here's Big Thunder right there. And the main entrance should be right over here, right on the corner here. I'm thinking it's going to probably be like the exit. This should be an exit for the crowd flow, I think. Control the flow of traffic and everything. It probably makes the most sense, or have the other entrance which I just showed you be also just an entrance, and just have like the entryway over by Splash Mountain be an exit, or vice versa. They're going to need more than one entryway. But here's the other entryway to Galaxy's Edge right here. I think I showed this in the prior video. Either way, it's going to be amazing when it opens. Well, folks, this concludes another episode of D3. Thanks again for watching. As usual, feel free to leave a comment below. I would love to hear your comments about this topic regarding the Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. It's going to be very exciting when it opens. Also, remember to subscribe to this channel, and also remember to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and also on YouTube. Thanks again for watching, folks. See you next time.